Good morning children. Hope you all are fit and fine. So children, we have completed our syllabus, that is for PT1 exam, and today we are going to start with our revision class. Before we start with the revision class, I want to share with you all few important things. Number one, regarding the syllabus, you all know that lesson 1, 2, 3 and 4 are going to come for PT1 examination. And the most important thing is that children, when you submit your answer, you have to submit it in PDF form. And you have to write your names in each and every single page that you have written the answers and send to the respective teacher. Okay children, this is very important. Now we are going to start with our revision, that is lesson 1. Okay children, now let us start with the revision of the very first lesson, that is lesson 1, and the name of the lesson, Who Am I? From here, what are the important things you have to learn? I have written here. Number 1, the full name, that is the full name has two parts, that is first name and last name, but in some cases there might be the middle name also. Then comes the gender, male and female, male for boys and female for girls. Then comes date of birth, birthday, your birthday or the born day when you was born. Then comes the contact number, phone number of your family members. Then comes address, the place where you stay or live. And the last one is identity card. In short form we say it as ID card. Then what are the things will be there in your identity card? Name, date of birth, contact number, and the most important thing is the photo. Your photo will be there in your ID card. These are the important things you have to learn from chapter 1. Now we are going to start with lesson 2. Okay children, now we are going to start with lesson 2, and the name of the lesson is My Family Members. And what are the important points or the key points of this chapter are as follows. Number 1, meaning of family, that means what is a family? What is a family? A family is a group of people who are related to each other. Then next come meaning of family member. Those people who live together are called family members. Then come jobs our family members do. Job means to earn money, and there are different kinds of jobs that our family members do to earn money. Example, some are doctor, teacher, engineer, artist, businessman, then service holder. Okay children, they do their work and they earn money for the family. Next comes different roles of our family members. So as we all know, there are different members in our family, and each of the members have their special role or duties to be followed at home. So what are the different roles played by our family members? Our parents, they look after us when we are sick. They provide us with food, clothes and things. They help us to do our homework also. Then our siblings, that means our elder brother and sister, they help us to do our homework, or even they play with us when they are free. Then comes our grandparents, they teaches us good manners, and even they tells us stories. These are the important points of this lesson 2. Now we are going to start with lesson 3. Okay children, now we are going to start with lesson 3, and the name of the lesson is My Body. So first is we have different body parts, isn't it children? Yes, we have different body parts. But the 3 main parts of our body are, we have 3 main parts of our body, that is number 1 is head. This is the head. Then the trunk. Trunk is the middle part of our body. Then comes limb, our arms and legs. So head, it is the topmost part of our body. Head is the topmost part of our body. And what are the hairs? We have the hair, then eyes, nose, mouth, teeth, ear, then neck. These are all part of our head. Then comes trunk. From shoulder to the stomach, that is the middle part, and which holds the body together. Then comes the limbs, that is the arms and legs. Okay, now for arms, what are the things there? Hands, and hands help us to hold things. Just I am holding the pen. It helps us to hold things. We can hold things. We can eat food with our hands. We can write, are the things we do with our hands. Then come legs. With the help of the legs, what do we do, children? We jump, we run, we walk, and we do many different activities. Then the most important one is we must take care of our body parts. How can we take care of our body parts? Yes, how can we take care of our body parts, children? We can take care of our body parts in different ways. That means by keeping them clean. Number one, that is we must take bath daily. We must brush our teeth twice a day. Then we should wash our hands with soap and water before having meal. Then we should cut our nails regularly. Then we must wash our hair with shampoo and oil it, and even we should comb it every day. Then we should drink water regularly. That means we must drink minimum 8 glasses of water in a day. Then eat healthy food. We have to eat healthy food and avoid junk food. Then comes drink milk daily. We must drink milk for building our body strong. Okay, children? Now, next come, we should even exercise and play games makes us healthy. That means we have to exercise. We must do exercise and play some outdoor games, not indoor. Okay, outdoor games which will help you to keep fit and healthy. These are the important things from lesson 3, My Body. Now we are going to start with the last lesson, that is lesson number 4, Things Around Us. Okay, children, now we are going to start with our last lesson, lesson 4, Things Around Us. So there are different kinds of things around us. We can see different kinds of things around us, that is both living and non-living. So what are living things, children? Those which can grow, move, breathe and reproduce are called living things. Those things which can grow, move, breathe and reproduce are called living things. Then about non-living things, those things which cannot grow, move, breathe and reproduce are called non-living things. Okay, children? Now the last one is that there are 2 types of non-living things. There are 2 types of non-living things, and what are they? Number 1 is natural thing and number 2 is man-made thing. So what are natural things, children? Those things that are found in the nature are called natural things. Example, human being, animals, birds, hills, mountain, valleys, river, oceans. These are all natural things. Sun, moon, stars. Then come man-made things. Those things that are made by man. And man-made thing is also known as artificial things. Examples, car, buses, pencil, television, house, buildings, that are all made by man. Okay, children, these are the things, important things we have discussed in the lesson Things Around Us from lesson 4. And here I am going to wind up my class, as we have discussed all the important points of each lesson. And the most important thing, again I like to repeat it, children, that please read the textbook and workbook thoroughly. Workbook question answers are also important. You should know each and every answers of the workbook. And once again, I would like to give a reminder that please do send the work always in PDF form. Okay children? And especially during exam time, you have to send all your answer paper in PDF form, and moreover, you have to write your name in each paper. Please children, do not forget to do that. Okay children, take care and thank you.